Here I have ASUS ZenFone Max M2, and let me show you how to bypass Google verification on the following device. So, as you can see, at this point of activation process I need to input my Google account, email and password, and in case if I forgot those credentials, I need to find a way to unlock the factory reset protection. So let me show you how to do it. Let's go back to the first screen. Let's make sure that you've got the internet connection. Alright, as you can see, in my case everything is alright. I have the internet connection here, I've got the Wi-Fi icon, and now let me open the slot for SIM card. Let's open the slot, and here you need to input the nano SIM card. It's important to input nano SIM card with the pin protection. So let's enter the nano SIM card with the pin protection right here. Alright, and then let's put the whole thing right here. That's it. Let's wait a few seconds. And now when you've got this screen, you need to enter your pin. So let me do it. In my case, this is my pin. Let's tap OK. And now let's swipe this bar from right to the left. Let's choose settings, tap the information icon right here. Let's choose here the advanced, scroll down, let's choose here browser app right here. In the next step, you need to choose here the opening links, scroll down, let's find YouTube. Alright, tap here on the YouTube, choose advanced, scroll down, and choose here the notifications, the first one. Alright, as you can see, here you've got the notifications. You need to here scroll down and choose advanced, scroll down one more time and select additional settings in the app. Tap here about, choose YouTube terms of service, tap accept and continue, choose no thanks, and we just open the Chrome. So that's what we need. Let's enter our website, HardReset.Info. Alright, tap HardReset.Info. Choose here download right here. Let's input here Android 8. Tap search. Let's download this app. Choose here download. Tap continue. Choose allow. Select here OK. Tap open. Choose settings and let's allow from this source. Let's go back and choose install. App installed, tap open. Choose Google Account Manager for version 6.0. Tap settings, let's allow from this source. Let's go back, tap install. App installed, tap done. Choose bypass FRP, browser sign in. Use these three dots and choose browser sign in again. Tap OK. And let's enter your Google account. So it could be new Google account not connected to this device, it's just some Google account that you know credentials. So let me enter my credentials. Alright, tap next. Let's enter the password. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose sign in. Alright, now all you need to do is use the power key, choose restart, and let's wait a few seconds. Alright, tap let's go, skip the Wi-Fi connection, let me enter the PIN for my SIM card, tap continue, let's tap here yes, tap next, tap agree, let's tap OK. Alright, let's tap accept to all Google services. Choose no thanks to the screen lock, tap done, and as you can see, you just activate your device. But to fully erase all FRP connected information, let's choose settings, select your system, tap here advanced, choose here reset options, tap erase all data, and choose reset phone. Choose erase everything, and let's wait until the factory data reset will be completed. Alright, let's enter the PIN. And let's try to quickly activate the device. Choose English, tap let's go. Skip the Wi-Fi connection, it's a good sign that you can skip it. Tap yes here, choose next, agree. Tap next a couple of times, tap more and accept to all Google services. Choose no thanks to protection with the screen lock, tap next and done. And that's it. As you can see, you just activate the device. Let me also show you the information about the system. So I just accomplished the unlock FRP on the Android 9 with the following information, with the my security patch level. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.